Alright guys, so in this video we'll be taking a photo from your SD card. We're going to put it into Lightroom. We're going to quickly edit it, and then I'll show you how to export it and save it from Lightroom so you can upload it to Google Classroom. So first thing you're going to want to do is click on Lightroom Classic. Once you're in Lightroom Classic, you may have tons of photos in the little film strip at the bottom. Some may not be yours, but don't worry about deleting them. Just leave them all there in case people need to use them later. And I'll show you how to get rid of those later if you need to make kind of your own little selection. So first thing, make sure you're in Library. When you're in Library, go ahead and go to Import. In Import, everything over on this left side is going to be the files or the device where the files are held. So these are all the Macs or my Nikon D60. So my Nikon D60, I have two different folders. This is the folder that I used during break. So from these, right now everything's selected, everything's highlighted. I'm going to uncheck all so that I can just select a few pictures to start editing. I'm going to pick this one, take this one. Once you have selected the ones you would like to edit, go ahead and click on Import in the bottom right corner. So right now I'm in what's called Previous Import. If you look under on the bottom left side under Export, it says Previous Import right now. That means every file that I just imported from my SD card is going to be on my film strip. If I click on that and select all photos, it's going to have every photo that's ever been selected. Or what you can do is if you select multiple photos that you're going to be editing. So I'm going to select all of these guys down here. I'm going to right click or control click. I'm going to add to collection. If you click then on all photos in quick collection, it'll have all the photos that you're planning on editing. So it's going to be all of these guys that I'm going to be working with right now. So again, to get over to editing, you click on develop. You find the picture you'd like to edit. I'm going to do this one for now. And then you can edit them with any of these settings. So you can intensify saturation, you can decrease the saturation, whatever you'd like to do. Say I've already edited this, I like it. I'm going to go back to Library. I'm going to click on Export in the bottom left corner. Right now I want to export it to my desktop, and I'm going to put it in a subfolder called Bubbles 2019. So this will send it to my desktop in a folder called Bubbles 2019. What you can also do if you have a folder already on the desktop, you can choose specific folder. You can choose the folder from whatever desktop source you have. And then you can plug it into any of the folders that already exist. But for me, I'm just going to make a new one, Bubbles, and I'm going to export it. So right now it's exporting those 15 files that I imported, and it's creating my folder on my desktop, which is right here. From the folder on my desktop, I can import them to Google Classroom just by going to Google Classroom and importing them on the assignment.